Okay, guys. So I hope you guys can see the screen, right? Hmm? Yes or no? You guys can see the screen? Can anyone confirm?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Kashif.
So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from Mumbai. I have somewhere around 13 years of practical IT experience. I have expertise on various technologies like SCCM, Intune, Azure, Active Directory, application packaging, PowerShell. I have uh, started my career as a IT help desk engineer, and then I was moved into SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3 team. Now I am working as architect. My primary roles and responsibility is to uh, implement technologies for organizations. Apart from this implementation, I am involved in training, wherein I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. Okay. I take classroom training, corporate training, online training. So that is my roles and responsibility at the moment as implementation. Plus, I'm doing the training. So that's about me, guys. Now, I would like to discuss about Microsoft Intune. Microsoft Intune is a Microsoft product. It started in the year 2010. So it's been 13 years since this product is there in the market. Previously, this product was not performing well because we we had some players in already in the market which was there in the market before 2010. For example, AirWatch. This is from VMware. Okay, AirWatch was leading in the market before 2000. I mean, it started in the market before 2010. But after COVID-19, okay, after COVID-19, Intune is getting implemented almost all big size and medium size organization, almost everywhere, because people have started working from home. So AirWatch and other competitors had only mobile device management and mobile application management solution. However, Intune is basically going to do MDM, mobile device management, plus MAM, mobile application management. So you will be able to manage Android operating system through Intune, iOS operating system, Mac operating system, then Windows, basically Windows 10 and 11, and then Linux and Chrome OS. Okay. However, other products had only mobile device management. They started adding Windows as well, but Intune is getting implemented almost everywhere. Wherever you had SCCM, they are almost everyone gone to Intune, and new companies are implementing Intune on daily basis. So this product is point number one, it's a matured product now because it is there in the market for the past 13 years. Okay. Point number two, it is being implemented almost all big size and medium size organization. Point number 3, it is uh, having good vacancies. Why? Because people are implementing this technology, so vacancies are also high now, and good salary as well. You can expect a salary of $50 per hour if you are outside India, like in American companies, or I mean, if you are in US or Canada or Australia or European countries, then you can expect a salary of $50 per hour. That's an average salary. Now, if you are in India, then the average salary for Intune administrator in India, it's gonna be between 7 to 8 lakhs per year. Okay, average salary. So it's good
For which
salary
experience,
actually.
sir? Oh,
Huh?
sorry, sir. For which experience, sir?
You need
Oh,
to have, you need to show at least, you cannot go as a fresher. You need to show them at least 2 or 3 years of experience
okay.
in Intune. Okay. So in my training, after you complete my training, you will have experience which you can match with 2 or 3 years of experience. You will be handle uh, almost all the requests which will be coming in day to day work profile. Okay. So good salary, good vacancies. Point number 5, this is easy to learn. Why easy to learn? Because it does not have, you don't have to have many prerequisite to learn this one. Unlike SCCM, SCCM has, if you are looking for SCCM training, so SCCM has many things in the backend, and it is a little tough than Intune. Okay, Intune is pretty straightforward, simple, rather than um, SCCM. Point number 6, it does not have, no coding languages is there. Coding is not there. No programming languages. Okay, no programming languages, no coding languages is there. Okay. Point number 8, good future. You can make career in this one as Intune administrator, because the way Microsoft is adding more and more features in Intune, Intune is gonna be having a good career path. Okay, if you are planning to learn this technology. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Hmm?
Yes, clear.
Now, after this training, you can show at least 2 or 3 years of experience. You can also go for exam. What is the exam? MD-102 Intune exam. This is the exam code. If you take this exam, you become Microsoft Endpoint Manager Administrator. Okay. You will be Microsoft Endpoint Certified Administrator, basically. Okay. Now, Intune is what? It is basically a cloud solution from Microsoft, which will help you to manage devices. So no matter how many devices you have, either 10,000 devices, 20,000, 100,000, 200,000 devices, no matter where the devices are located, right? For example, you have some devices in Mumbai, some devices are in London. Okay, let's say London has 2000 devices, Mumbai has 3000 devices, Chennai has 5000 devices. Okay, New York has 10,000 devices, and Mexico 3000 devices, for example. These are like branch offices, and your headquarter is in, for example, it is in New York. This is your headquarter, and others are branch offices. So through Intune, you can manage these devices, either Android devices, iPhone, iOS, Mac, iPad, Windows 10, Windows 11 laptops, desktops. You can manage them, but you cannot manage the servers. So from Intune, server management is not possible. Intune cannot manage server. Who will manage server? Any idea? Hmm? So
No idea.
SCCM is gonna manage server. Okay. SCCM is gonna manage Windows 10 and 11 as well. But
Excuse me, sir. Is it actually, sir? Is any prerequisite to learn any new before Intune, or directly we can learn Intune?
no prerequisite. If you have basic computer knowledge, you can go for Intune training. Okay.
Okay, sir, okay.
For if you are planning to learn SCCM, then you have to have some basic prerequisite like DNS, then DHCP. Then you need to have on-premises Active Directory information. Those are needed, but here in Intune, those are not needed. If you have those knowledge, it's good, but it's not
But
mandatory.
it's not mandatory.
Okay, clear, Lakshmi?
Yes, Kashu.
So Intune is basically designed by Microsoft. Okay, you don't have to configure the server yourself. It is all configured by Microsoft itself. You see, you can do application deployment, updates, protection, removal, identities management, de- devices, whether the devices are compliant or non-compliant, conditional access, bring your own device, organizational devices. So you have these kind of management in Intune. Plus, you have integration of Intune with many products like SCCM, Configuration Manager, Windows Autopilot, Endpoint Protection, Windows Defender, Windows Auto Patch, Endpoint Analytics, Microsoft 365 plus Google Play Store, Apple Token, TeamViewer, Mobile Threat Defense Services, right? Then we have in Intune, we can configure VPN and Microsoft Tunnel, Zero Trust, Endpoint Security, right? Then at the right hand side, we have web-based admin console. Through that admin console, we will be configuring all the configurations, compliance policies, application deployment, and everything. Then we have Intune Suite, wherein we have advanced Intune analytics, endpoint privilege management, Microsoft Tunnel for mobile application management, remote help. Okay, these things are there. So when we do practical, then you will get more clear picture. Okay, now how Intune architecture is designed by Microsoft. I'll show you Intune architecture. So this is the high level architecture. Okay. So basically, when you create your Intune subscription, you get web console. You see, this is the one. You get web console. In web console, you configure whatever the things which you would like to configure. to manage devices. Then your information goes to the configuration and reporting section, and then it goes to the Graph API. Graph API is a connector between SCCM, between Intune and your web console. Okay. Then through this Graph API, your service goes to the Intune service. This one. If you are doing for endpoint security configuration, it goes here. If you are doing something for configuration policies, it comes here. If you are doing something for application protection compliance policy, it comes here, right? Your configuration is basically making the changes as per your requirement. Okay. Intune has integration with Microsoft Entra ID, which is Microsoft Azure Active Directory, right? Also, you can manage devices through co-management. So manage devices through SCCM and Intune together. That is called co-management. Okay. So below we have mobile device management. You see Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, iPad, Linux plus Chrome OS is also there, which which is missing here in this slide. Mobile application management is there. Uh, yeah, mobile application management, iOS, iPad, Android. Okay. So we will do the practical and then we will get more clear picture. Now the Intune is a SaaS kind of product. SaaS means software as a service. It's not PaaS, platform as a service, or IaaS, infrastructure as a service. It's like SaaS. SaaS is one more example of SaaS. Gmail. Gmail is SaaS. You know, when you just create your subscription and you are up and running. You just have to create the subscription. So similarly, for Intune, we create subscription and then we are up and running. Okay. So we will do the practical to get more clear picture on this one. Now, when we do the training, then we have to have a virtual machine. Either you create virtual machine, Windows 10 or 11, anything of your choice, either one or two. And that virtual machine you can create on your laptop or on Microsoft Azure Cloud Data Center, anywhere. So if your computer is having good configuration, you can create the lab locally. You can create your Windows 10 on your laptop itself. And that machine, we will be managing that machine through Intune. So we'll enroll that machine to Intune. Okay. Also, I will show you how to enroll mobile devices like iPhone and iOS devices and Android devices. So you need to enroll these devices. You need to enroll iOS and Android devices to Intune and manage those devices. So we will be supplying policies from Intune into the devices. We'll be supplying applications from Intune to the devices. We'll be supplying configuration from Intune to the devices. We will be supplying compliance policies. Okay, is that clear?
Excuse me. Actually, in this training, you cover and like enroll apps and Android also, Android iOS also will which is that.
Android we will do. iOS, if anybody has iOS, we can do iOS as well. iOS enrollment, I will show that to you. Plus how to configure profiles, I will show you. How to create policies, I will show that to you. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now Intune license. Intune is not free. Intune is a paid application from Microsoft. So you need to take Intune license. That is any one of the licenses. So you can take This one, Microsoft Intune Plan 1 or Plan 2. Then we have in Microsoft Intune Suite, and then Microsoft Intune for Education. There are some of the options available. Also, if you take any of these licenses, Microsoft Intune Plan 1 is also included in this one. So you don't have to separately purchase if you already have any of these licenses. So we will, in the training, we will take this license, Enterprise Mobility plus Security. This gives us the Intune license for 3 months. We can utilize Intune for 3 months. And this cost, I think this cost somewhere around, how much does it cost? Let me show you. Free trial. It cost you somewhere around 1290 Indian rupees, 1290 per user per month, around somewhere around $20 per user per month. Okay, guys? Hmm? Yes or no? We will be taking free trial for 3 months. Okay? We'll be utilizing 3 months free trial. Now the training is basically started at 7 a.m. India time. No, sorry, 8 a.m., not 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Started at 8 a.m. India time, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay. I have taken 3 sessions so far. Okay. Now in these 3 sessions, we have created Intune subscription and Azure account and virtual machine. These are the things which we have done so far. Now these 3 sessions, if you would like to uh, enroll to this course, so what I can do, I can teach you these 3 sessions in this Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday, I can explain those things, whatever I have already explained to the batch of 8 to 9 batch. So that from Monday onwards, so from Monday, okay, because we don't have any class on Saturday and Sunday for this batch. So on Monday, you can be on the same page. You can join the same batch, 8 to 9 batch from Monday onwards. So it is daily 1 hour session, okay, Monday to Friday, okay, for 30 days. Any question from anyone? Hmm?
Same timing, sir. This is
8 to
time
9,
8 to 9, fixed time.
8 to 9 fixed time, yes, from Monday.
Okay.
But these 3 sessions which I have already taken, I can explain those sessions on this Saturday and Sunday so that you can be on the same page on from Monday onwards and you can join that existing batch.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, not.
Okay,
Um,
Kashi.
yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Uh, how is the calls like?
Good vacancies, I told you, na.
Yeah, but in the Naukri, can you show me the how is the vacancy?
Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Dice, Indeed. You have to put your resume or all the job portals in
Okay.
which are running in India. The most important is the LinkedIn one. Okay. Uh,
Mhm.
put it there. because most of the calls people are getting from LinkedIn. Okay. I will
Mhm.
give you sample resume. You
Okay.
can use the sample resume uh, to upload your resume as Intune administrator.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is the content? Course content.
Course content, I will send that to you if you have not received it.
Yeah, I
So,
don't have that course content.
uh, course content you don't have.
Yes, yes, I don't have. Can you please share me that?
Okay, I will share this course content with you, but you see, these are the things which I'm going to cover in this Intune course. Introduction, then Intune versus SCCM, lab, Azure, right? Multi-factor authentication, configure, company branding, user location. Okay, so all these things we will do practically, and we are going to do all these things as well. Any question?
Kashif, what is the market share of the Intune? What is the percentage?
Percentage as per the Intune competitor, it is around 40% now. Previously, it was less, but almost all big size and medium size are implementing Intune. So other products are as well. Other products are there in the market, like AirWatch is there. Okay, then we have Soti, then we have BlackBerry, right? Then we have Tanium, Zen Mobile, right? Then we have um, Goods. Then we have Mobile Ion. These are some of the competitors of Intune, but Intune is going ahead day by day because of more and more functionalities what Intune has. Okay, these are mostly focusing on mobile devices, only on iPhone, iOS, Android. But Intune has Windows, Linux, uh, Chrome OS management as well. Okay,
Okay.
any question before we wrap it up? No question? Okay. So the session already started at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Three sessions are done already. Okay. Now, if you would like to continue this batch from Monday, so I can uh, teach you these three missing sessions which you guys have uh, missed. Also, I will be sharing the recording with you guys so that from Monday onwards you can be on the same page. Okay. All good? Kiran and
Can you
Lakshmi?
share those videos, Kashif?
Yeah, I will share with the videos with you. You can go through the
Okay.
videos. Okay.
Okay, Kashif. Thank you.
So if you are interested to continue from Monday, you need to enroll to this course and make payment. So from Monday, you can attend the session.
So,
Okay,
what was
guys.
the plan, Kashif?
Hmm?
What was the plan course of Intune session?
Plan. What plan?
So, I mean course fee, right?
Course fees. Okay.
Yes.
Co course fees is 20,000. Okay.
Okay. So it is the one time payment or two times payments?
Generally one time, but you can do in two installment. So Before you, when you enroll the course, you need to make at least 50%, and after 15 days, another 50%.
Okay, Kashif.
Okay, guys.
Okay, Kashif. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Bye now. Bye, everyone.